Well, staying with news from the United States, and 1,000 sailors have been moved from the U.S. Navy's USS Theodore Roosevelt aircraft carrier. The evacuation process started after the Acting Secretary of the United States Navy, Thomas Modly, assured that all sailors on board the ship will be evacuated in batches. Earlier, the Navy crew on the ship commanded by Captain Brett Cossier was not able to follow regular protocols of isolation because of the armaments on the carrier. Unable to handle the growing coronavirus cases, the commander of the ship, Captain Crozier, had written to the U.S. Navy leadership and had asked for immediate action to save lives of the ship's crew. Acknowledging the letter, Acting Secretary Modly clarified that the captain would not face any retaliation for writing the letter. However, he also did not rule out punishment for the captain. He called the leaking of the letter to the media a clear violation of the Navy's principles of order and discipline.
Well, like I said, I don't know who leaked the letter to the media. That would be something that would violate the principles of good order and discipline if he were responsible for that. But I don't know that. The fact that he wrote the letter up to his chain of command to express his concerns would absolutely not result in any type of retaliation. This is what we want our commanding officers to be able to do.
And a few days ago, more than 70 sailors on board the USS Roosevelt ship had developed symptoms after carrying out tests. It came to light that they had been infected by COVID-19. In a 4-page letter, Captain Crozier, commander of the aircraft carrier, had described in detail the threatening situation in which the crew was as positive cases started to increase with each passing day on the ship. There are a total of 5,000 sailors on the ship, and it lacks quarantine and isolation facilities and are required to fight the deadly virus. The ship's crew, which is currently docked at Port Guam, is also being helped by the local government to set up makeshift clinical tents and find hotels for isolation purposes. The aircraft carrier was in the Western Pacific when the first case was reported. As of now, the ship is docked at Port Guam, which does not have enough beds and medical equipment for the sailors.